you do that again. Bust your fucking ass. Do that again. I'ma bust your fucking ass. You do that again. I'ma bust your fucking ass. Act dumb, earn a free bus pass. No talk, no pause. Just boost, just fist. Fuck the laws. You do that again. I'ma bust your fucking ass. I speak in threats and never get recanted. You flinch, I flay, you breathe, your last is demanded. You squander off, now the tension's charged. I ain't the warning, I'm the follow through. No hint, no chance, just to swing a solid fuck you. You're supposed to count down, mine a loaded drum. I beat the beat and I beat it again. Oh, you hate me, tell another friend that ego's fragile. By the way, you're late to the hate train. Choop, choop, motherfucker, here comes the pain. You wanted war, I live for that. You mumble shit, I full on attack. Dead inside, there ain't no repentance. Even hell rejected acceptance. You fake that tough, then I go retard. Slow all teeth all broken, sounds like a corner beast. You bark, I fucking feast. You play hard, I do performance hard. Watch it, your skull gets torn apart. You think you're mean, you think you're hard. I got your dog, make you watch, caught you off guard. You do that again, I fuck a day up. I step too many, yeah, you fucked up. You raise your voice, I raise my stance. I make broken look like an elegant dance. I spit filet mignon, I chew malice. You live in fear, bitch boy, don't know about this. You strike with tone, I strike alone. Little Richard having ass bitch tar. You laughing crack tones, my fist connecting baritone. I walk through war, I ask for more. You wanna test that floor, self-destruct. You keep playing, that's a guarantee. You beg mid-fight like stop, I can't breathe. No talk back, no glance spared. You lucky I don't play you here. You act possessed, I turn into a new line. Cause fuck you bitch, this shit's on mine. Deadlock, you hard gon' stop. You face got pop. You smile while you drop your take breaks quick when shit gets rough. But play man and stuff the fuck I wasn't even in this. You crack first, I don't give in. Pull up wrong and I close that gap. Your neck's a switch. Here's snap. You came all wrong, this the shit I've been doing all along. I came with hands. You tried to mans blow a kiss at your bitch out in the stands. You asked for violence and act all so righteous. I'm not unhinged, I'm just a rag. Look man, I'm really sorry your dick can't get a rag. You ain't smart, you just obsessed. I showing everyone that tattered mess. Act tough online, get served on site. You act right, you're served tonight. I don't do warnings, I do actions. I rupture your brain just for the reactions. You test my calm, my fuse is quick. You play with rage, I got a brick. I'm built on venom, raised on spite. I don't pull punches, I ignite. Fuck with me again, catch these fucking hands. I don't debate, I dismantle. Wait, did you just say let me fix my sandal? I don't stop, the point is you can't handle. You test this mask, I leave you cold and blue. You took that shot, dumb motherfucker, thought he was coming in hot. You get one breath, I take that right. You build a scene, I burn the pre-production. Your stance, I shake it off. Your mind, I bet it's soft. Your thread, I bleed it true. You came with talk, I came with rap. You caught attention, you caught my path. No, you know that rabbit mask, don't run it explode. The rabbit mask, don't run it explode. Do that again, I'ma bust your fucking ass. Do that again, I'ma bust your fucking ass.